Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V tutorials. If you are new, you are most highly welcome. If you are returning viewers, you are highly welcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do to support your boy, okay? And if you have already, please do not forget to like my video. So today I will be showing you something new. This site called PayRoute. I think something is happening here. I've been just going through it and I discovered that there's something you need to do here and you'll make some purchasing power. So let's quickly jump into it and see. Now all you just need to do is just make sure you have a smartphone and make sure you have a network connection as well, and navigate yourself to your Chrome and type in payroutes.online. Click. It will bring you to this interface. Okay, on this interface they are just simple survey that you conduct and you just make money. Bam. Okay, so this is what I want us to go through together. We're gonna go into do the sign up together and everything together. Let's see how it works. Okay, so the platform says get paid in naira for doing tax online, absolutely free. Okay, make passive income online by watching videos, you see, doing offer awards and many more with fast payment. Okay, they say over 1 million and kaza is already here. So you can see, wow, something still interesting. They say advertise your business. Payroute allows you to drive large amount of web visitors to your website, blog and YouTube videos in the best and the most affordable way. Did you have a channel you want to promote or a website you want a lot of people to keep visiting? Then this is also for you. In this place, you don't only work for money, but you can also advertise your own channel, your blog, your websites, and you get a lot of visitors and also a lot of viewers. If you are looking forward to monetize your website or your blog or your YouTube channel, this site is as well for you. Okay, the advertisement is very low. You just pay something little and they give it to you. No use of bot of online software. You get real users to watch your videos. Easy step available to creating adverts. Create statistics, provide unique visitors, cheap and easy to use. Then fast regular customer support. Call to actions. Okay, let's see the earning part, the earning features. Fast payment, no deposit required. You don't need to deposit anything here. All you just need to do is just conduct a little survey, watch a little videos, and you get paid. No investment required, daily payment. Then fast customer support, available online community, regular bonuses, multiple tax available, best in Nigeria. So this is highly best in for us that are living in this very country, Nigeria. So let's see, they have about 10,000 users already and above, you see. And this site is just a kind of new customer testimonies. So let's what we just need to do here is just get started. Let's do this together. Okay, get started. Okay, in this place, you do this for the sake of this tutorial. I'll just fill in something later. So this is simply how to sign up here. If you sign up, it will bring you to your dashboard. Let's see the dashboard here. There's a three dots created here. This is where you always go to search. If you want to share, if you want to follow via Twitter, is here. If you want to withdraw, is here. Deposit balance is 0. Total referral, and also tax available. So there are a lot of ways to earn in this place. You earn through referral and also you earn through performing task. Okay, so the next thing that we just need to look at here, maybe I should click on this continue. There are a lot of tax available, 900 plus tax available. Okay, redirecting you to offer wall. So in this offer wall, this is where the real tax are done. Okay, so this is a time wall. A time wall also is site on its own. Okay, you see, like TikTok, gym and share. View, you perform this task. Okay, this is a task. Then there's a tag say watch, like, and share social media engage frequency once and off. Okay, this is approved. You can do this as well. You can get started on this. Okay, so I'm going to go on its own. So let's go back to where we are. Let's go back to okay. As the N 3,500 naira for time war, reward will be 250 naira. If you refer each person, you get 200 naira. I mean, refer 20 people, sorry. Refer 20 people, you get 200 naira. That is, each person you refer is 20 naira. Okay, create a PTC ad worth of 400 naira. This one is you. If you want to deposit, if you want to create any ads that will help people see, that will boost your channel, either YouTube channel or Facebook channel or Facebook page, all those things. Okay, so go back to this three dot. Go back to this three dot. Let's go to here. This offer word. Offer word. This is where a lot of tags are. This is where you can perform tags and get money. Okay, let's say earn up to 18,000 naira time wall. This one is still available. This one is still available. This one is still available. Let's view this tax and say, okay, what is tax saying? This tax is automatically directing you to a time wall. Okay, so all you just need to do, you just need to come in here. You just need to come in here and sign up using that email. Okay, sign up using that email you created this account with. Okay, let's say I should enter password. So, but sorry, unfortunately I can't enter my password here right now. So all you just need to do, enter this password and it will display the tax for you. Okay, if you enter this password, it will just display the tax for you. Is that okay? And all you need to do is spam and go on with it. They are very users friendly. Okay, this is another tax, CPX research offer. View the tax. This is PayRoute online, CPX. So on this CPX, you come here. So we are looking for survey for you. Okay, let's hold on. They have gotten the survey for me already. Choose a survey. I can just say okay. This one again, I will gain 124 naira. This one is 49 naira. This one is 10 naira. Maybe I should just go for. Maybe I should just go for this one. Yes, I'm from Nigeria. Are you sure? So just select one of which I've done. You click on move on, go front. So the protection of your personal data is very yes, I agree. We go. So please enter only number 0 to 9. In which year were you born? Okay. You just need to follow this up. What were you born? Okay. In which year were you born? Yeah. I can just say 1997. Okay. When was that? I will just say December. So why all this one is popping up is that you really need to set up your profile. I can just say total foreign. Let me just say 15. Okay. So you keep following up. So I think it's done here. Please enter only numbers. Most survey are looking for participants in certain age ranges. Honestly is the key to successful. Honesty is the key to a successful completion of survey. Please enter your age, which should match the date of birth you already provide. Okay, I think 1997 to date is what online for. This is I think it should be 27 years, right? I hope I'm not wrong. The age you have entered does not match your date of birth. Okay, your age should be 25. Oh, sorry. Okay, please select an option. My date of birth is correct and I understand that it cannot be changed anymore. Yes, I would like to change my date of birth. So you need to follow all this and set up your profile correctly. Okay, example, what is your postal code? My postal, yeah, just need to put your postal code here. You can say 00011. No, 111. You put it wrong format. Please put your postal code. Okay, if you don't know your postal code, what you do, you just come to this place, open a new, and say let me just say Abuja postal code. Abuja code, you see, okay, 90,001. Just come to this place, just in the 90,001. Okay, I can just say okay, 90,001. Select only one. I am a man. So you need to fix up all this for a survey to be really ready for you. Which language do you speak? English? Unfortunately, we couldn't find a survey for your profile. Try again in a few hours. So each one you see, all you just need to do is just follow up and see if there's a survey for you. You quickly get it. Okay, so this is where you go for the survey of awards. Okay, so the short links, these are the links that you can use for a referral code. Okay, complete short links and get reward. Okay, these short links now, each one you complete you get reward, but this one unfortunately the rewards are not much, but at least it will earn you something. Okay, the video ads, yeah, the one you watch and get rewarded are not available for now. So if you want to create ads, this way you create yours. Video ads, this way you create deposit. This is your account. Okay, let's view one of those links together and see. To my greatest surprise, it seems some of those links are not available for now. So you have seen how this PayRoute works. Okay, you have seen how this PayRoute works. You can as well watch again on how to see how to earn. Okay, so if you have any question, please do not hesitate to keep me in touch. I'll stop here today, but on my next video I'm going to drop a video that will show how to perform the real task and earn your cash. Okay, so this is simply about how you can sign up and the little things about PayRoute. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have not subscribed yet, please do. If you have not liked, please do, and I'll see you in my next video.